Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emily and in today's video I will be creating this cute little Easter card. And I started off by cutting all of my pieces from the egg-shaped card die set and the Easter basket add-ons. You can see I have both of these sets here on screen and they are just adorable. I love them. I have been using them so much. I think they are just the perfect Easter products. So if you're looking for really good ones, these are something I highly would recommend. You can use these in so many different ways, and I just took them and created my version of these two with just this cute little birdie that is just coming out of his eggshell, carrying his siblings, a lot of eggs, and also some flowers just because I could. And I love the eyes. I think they are so darn cute, and I also love the little arms here. You can definitely use these in so many other ways than I did for today's project. I think you can use them in any other project where you just need a couple of eyes to finish any project. So they are really fantastic. You can say I just use some low-tech adhesive to keep my eggs together in the right position so I could layer them exactly where I wanted them to be. And I wanted it to look like the beak was covered with the flowers and the eggs, and that this little guy was carrying all of it together in his arms, or her arms maybe, I don't know. And you can see I'm just using some leaves and some flowers and just going around decorating this. And I have my pokey choll from Trinity, which I love. I really need to get another one because it keeps losing this one. I have it on my desk, and the next time I go to use it, it's gone. So I need to have like 10 of them probably because I use them so much, and yeah, they just go missing on my desk. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any products that you like really love but that you have on your desk all the time and always are covered with something that you never find. I think that's the story of many of our products, that we just have them, and like for my example, my scissors are always going missing. I have them and then the next time I turn around they are just gone. So yeah, I need to be better on putting them back in their place because they actually have a place. I'm just lazy and know that I will be using them like 5 seconds later and don't want to sort of hang them on its hook on my wall here. Yeah, now I'm just rambling, but while I'm rambling you can see that I'm attaching a couple of more leaves around my little egg here, and soon I have been covering it enough, I think, so my egg is done. And then I also wanted to create a little cute bow for the top of her head, and yeah, I just use some pink shades of cardstock that coordinated with the other pink that I used, and I also did some ink blending. For my card base, I'm creating a standard A2 sized side folded note card, but I will actually be folding the side to this as well, so 2 1/8 of an inch, I think. I don't know, but half of it probably. Yeah, you probably could see it better here on screen than I could, but you can see the half of a standard A2 size card. And I will attach my chicken just to one of the sides, and then I have a cream panel on the inside. And I actually messed up. I wanted this egg to be on the inside, but I couldn't get it to fit because my mechanism was a little bit too big. You will see I will make a try for it, but you can see it's a little bit too big, and I didn't have the patience for making this perfect. So instead I skipped this idea. You can definitely play around with it if you like, but I went ahead and cut all of these cute bunnies and I attached them together instead. And I will have sort of this flip out, which I also thought was really cute and interactive. So I just wanted something to the inside of this card, and yeah, I love how it turned out. And there is also this decorational piece with the gray, so I will attach that as well. So you can definitely have some letters. That was my plan, or a message, but I didn't know what to write, so I left it blank for now. But I will definitely come back if this will be sort of a it's gonna say excellent on the front side, so I don't know if it's gonna be like a card that I will give to my daughter after she has been performing, or I don't know. But so I wanted to keep the inside blank for now, but I will definitely come back and decorate that with some letters later on. But you can see the idea, and I think that is really cute that you have something coming out and you have this really cute egg on the front. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create something. I will have links down below for the products that I used, and until next time, have a great day. Bye!